Aloha mai kākou ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back. I'm not gonna even try to apologize for how long it's taken to make another video. Let's just get into it.
What took you so long?
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 For those of you who are here for the first time, we cover a book called the He Mele Aloha book. I'll link it right here. And we go over all of the plethora of Hawaiian songs that are in that book one by one. You know, if you have any suggestions on one you'd like to hear on the channel, go ahead and make a comment down below, and we can see if we can get to that one. And for those of you who are coming back, thank you so much for coming back month after month, week after week. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and just go ahead and do a comment down below and just let me know if you're still out there. We're gonna do one of my favorite songs, definite Hawaiian classic, He Hawaiʻi Au, and written by the great Peter Moon. Actually, this was on the Peter Moon Band Guava Jam album, which is a classic if you haven't heard that album. I'll link that here as well. Peter Moon, Ron Rocha, and Alice Namakilua wrote this Hawaiian classic, and we're gonna go ahead and try to dive into this one. Follow along on the He Mele Aloha book, or you can just go ahead and follow the chords, which I will list right here, and I'll also list the ʻukulele Hawaii, or the Hawaiian language, right down here. Okay, let's get into the chords. G, okay, D7. And in the book, it actually lists the D7 like this, which is bar second fret with the ring finger on the first string, third fret. But I like to play my D7s like this, which is open, middle finger on the fourth string, second fret, and then the ring finger on the second string, second fret. Okay, I like to play it. I call it the Hawaiian D7. A little bit more open. We're also going to be playing C. Okay. B7. A couple different ways you can play that. Like this. All right. Or you can bar the second fret and then middle finger on the third string, third fret. I kind of like this version a little bit better. Okay. We also have E minor. It's kind of a lot of chords for this song. E minor, let's see, G7, okay, and then the book, it lists E flat 7, which is a barred E flat 7. That's an E flat 7, okay, but I think it would be nicer if we play a B flat diminished. A little bit more interesting than playing. Oh, it's a very close, similar sound. So let's go with the B flat diminished, as a substitute for that E flat 7. Okay, let's go ahead and study the strum. The strum is going to be just a basic island strum. I think we covered the island strum a few videos ago. So it's basically down, down, up, up, down, up. Very useful, practical, modern strum. Let's go ahead and tackle the first verse. First verse is this song doesn't really have the traditional verse, or verse, chorus. It's kind of broken up into some sections here. So you have the first section, second section, and then the final section, which is kind of like half of a verse. So we'll just call it sections A, B, and C. Okay, so we're gonna do section A for now. I keia po e au me oe. Okay, good. Keia po ua hoʻi mai au. Okay, actually let's go ahead and just play that little section there for to start. All right. nice. Okay, the next little section here, still part of the A section. He loa ka helena ma ke alahele. Okay, this section you're gonna have to actually kind of squeeze together. E huli wahi ma ke iau. Okay, e huli wahi ma ke iau. Okay, it's kind of a little bit of a tongue twister. You have to squeeze that section together. Okay, e huli wahi ma ke iau. He loa ka helena ma ke alahele. E huli wahi ma ke iau. All right, good job. Okay, the next section, we're gonna call this the B section, okay? Starting with that B7, okay? Maupopo aua ike ho'i, okay? Ka home I loko o ku'upu'uwai, all right? Ua ho'i mai au ke ike ne au. Okay, and then the next section is like the two little lines after that. But let's just do this little section for now, okay? Here we go. I guess we can kind of consider this like a bridge section, okay?
But I think I'll take him to the bridge. Take him to the bridge. Take him to the bridge.
Okay. Here we go. Maupopo aua ike ho'i ka home I loko o ku'upu'uwai. Ua ho'i mai au ke ike ne au. Okay, remember that that B flat diminished, okay? A little crazy chord right there. All right, let's try that whole section one more time. It's a little tricky. All right, here we go. Maupopo aua ike ho'i ka home I loko o ku'upu'uwai. Ua ho'i mai au ke ike ne au. All right, the B flat diminished, a little tricky. Actually caught me by surprise. Okay, these final two lines, we're gonna tag the last line, okay? And you'll see, basically repeat the last line, okay? A'ole au e auana ho, okay? Ke maupopo he Hawaiʻi Au, okay? And we're gonna tag that last line. All right, here we go. And then remember, we're coming out of that B flat diminished, okay? So it's gonna be going from here to the G. So you might wanna practice going from that to that, okay? That B flat diminished to the G. It's a little bit of a jump there, okay? Coming out of that B flat. A'ole au e auana ho, ke maupopo he Hawaiʻi au. Ke maupopo he Hawaiʻi au. All right, good job. You guys made it all the way through. Here we go. And we're gonna do it a little bit quicker. Okay, here we go. Nice job, you guys. You guys did it all the way to the end. Congratulations. Once again, thank you so much for following me and for sticking with the channel even though I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 months. If you want to know more information about me, you can go to www.stevenespaniola.com. You can also go to my Instagram, Facebook, I have Twitter, all that stuff. Especially my Instagram, I post a lot of stuff that I don't post on here. I do plan on doing some giveaways and some really good ones from He Mele Aloha Ukulele. And also a company called Oiwi. Be sure to stay tuned for that. And I guarantee I'm not gonna wait as long to upload the next video, you guys. Stick in there, and we're almost done with this pandemic. I hope everybody out there is vaxxed, and I am. I'll see you guys on the next one. Ahui ho, malama pono, and keep on strumming.